In this video, I'll show you how to export expenses in QuickBooks. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks online account. I'm already logged in, but on your end, you'll first see a sign-in page. Enter your credentials to access your company dashboard. There are several ways to export expense data, but one of the easiest methods is through reports. First, navigate to the Reports section. If you're using Business View, click Business Overview on the left sidebar, then select Reports. If you're using Accountant View, simply click Reports from the left navigation menu. At the top of the Reports page, use the search bar and type Expenses by Supplier Summary or Transaction List by Date. Once the report opens, choose the date range you want to include. For example, you can view expenses for the current month, last quarter, or a custom period. After selecting the date, click Refresh to see the updated report. If necessary, click the Customize button to filter the report. You can filter by customer, account, transaction type, class, location, or other categories depending on your QuickBooks setup. After reviewing the information, look toward the top right corner of the report and click the Export icon. From the menu, select Export to Excel. QuickBooks will generate the spreadsheet and download it to your computer. You can then open the file in Microsoft Excel or another spreadsheet program for further analysis, reporting, or sharing. Exporting expense data regularly can help with budgeting, tax preparation, reimbursements, and financial reporting. And that's how to export expenses in QuickBooks.